Hi guys, just wanted to bring you up to speed on what disposable mops are available for your infectious cleans or your outbreak cleaning programs. So depending upon the size area that you're cleaning, you could start off with what we call our spray mop, which will take 75 mils of solution and clean an area of 10 to 15 square meters. Our normal mop, which will take 100 mils, and if you want to moisten 10 of these or 20 of these, simply put them in our special pre-moistening container that we've got here. You could see there's a lid that is keeping that closed during the day, but all of your mops will stay in there pre-moistened with the right amount of solution, whether that's 10 or 20. Moving up to a disinfection mop, which is going to hold even more solution and release it onto your floor, right up to we actually have a mop purely to pick up spills. And if you don't want to use a mop that you've got to moisten yourself, you could use our packet of pre-moistened mops. So you're simply opening there, taking the mop out. It's already pre-moistened properly and placing it on the floor like so. So I'm simply going to take our frame, grab the mop and mop my floor. It's as easy as that. Now what I wanted to show you on this mop is you can see how the surface material of the mop has picked up the dirt and germs. Inside, these are 3-layered mops, so inside this mop you've got the material that is absorbing all of the moisture, and you've got a film which is keeping any of those dirt and germs away from your mop hardware. So this is what you really need that will actually mop your floor correctly, pick up the dirt and germs, and you won't have to launder it. You're simply throwing them away after use.